Here we go.
Super clear water too.
We just got here, guys. We just talked to a boat sitting in the boat ramp. We asked them if they were fishing a tournament because we saw a couple trailers and whatnot. They said they are, and they also said the lake is fishing like crap. They said that it took 11 pounds to win yesterday, and he had like 2 fish for, he didn't say what weight actually, but he just said that the lake is not fishing up to its full potential because usually it takes like 20 pounds to win on here. Hopefully today is different. You know, maybe yesterday was just a fluke. You think so?
I sure hope so.
I hope yesterday. I'm thinking yesterday was a fluke. We're just gonna, you know, keep the fingers crossed, knock on wood, pray to God, and hopefully catch some fish. So that's the plan. We're gonna go throw some topwater for some smallmouth and some big old largemouth, and then we're gonna be fishing some deep drops.
If all else fails, I guess we can go fish 50 foot of water.
Yeah.
Freaking drop.
Yep. After this morning bite, we're gonna be in like 20 to 50 feet probably, fishing some drop shots, fishing some jigs. Stay tuned, guys. Gonna be sweet. What the what is that?
It's a lake trout, dude.
Dude, that is a lake trout?
That's a lake trout.
Dude, look at that thing. No way. That's a big old trout, dude.
It's a giant lake trout.
Dude, wait,
oh, I got one.
You got one on topwater? Oh. You miss him? Wait, I'm gonna drop this jig on this thing and see if he eats it.
No way.
Dude, he's just sitting there. He's just sitting there. Oh, I kinda got a frayed line.
Dude, I went and picked up my line and my body. No way.
Dude, what the hell? Dude, all right, guys, we know that there's trout and stuff in here. This is a super deep, super clear, crazy inland lake, but we literally just saw like, I don't know, 6-7 pound lake trout up in like an inch of water. What? That was not a 10 pounder. 7 pounder. I'm giving him 7 pounds, but that's insane. That is wild. Well, you just have one on the popper though too?
No, when I turned around and I saw him, my rod just went.
We're gonna catch some lake trout in topwaters? Would you see that? Something's got blasted up in there.
I can't cast that far, but dude, look where all these birds are coming from.
Yeah, they're all over in these reeds apparently.
Dude, there's...
Got him. Got him. First one is a largie. Not a big one. Not a big one, but she freaking crushed it. Yeah, a little chunk.
He blew me up. I guarantee that was the one that blew me up.
I was way over to the right. He could have been different too. First fish of the day so far. We got one like 12, 13 inch largemouth, little chunk on the spook. And we saw a big old lake trout literally up in like a foot of water. So, semi-productive day so far. We got to get a big old smallie though, I think, to really get the blood flowing.
Oh my
God. Oh, I got him on. I got him on.
Got him.
Dude, what is this? What is this little dink? Is this a smallie? It is a smallie.
I called it.
Is it? No, it's, oh yeah, it is. Dude, that's an ugly looking smallie. So this is the targeted species of the morning, but it's most definitely not the targeted size. We are looking for some 3, 4, 7, 15 pounders, so not gonna cut it. There's birds, dude, there's birds swarming your thing. The birds want some spook and popper action. What?
Oh, don't you fucking do it.
Dude, yeah, don't you dare, man.
I'll beat you with a fucking stick.
He wants this spook real bad. Dude, the fact that we got birds all around us is such a good sign, though. We're in the right areas. As long as they don't steal our lures, we will be good to go.
Dude, I almost got shit on you, dude. I was pissed.
By a bird?
Yeah. There was a peck of swans out on an eagle that flew over me, and the one took a shit and it landed like...
Dude, look at this. Oh ah! Get out of here, dude. Get out of here. Dude, he was ready to pounce on that.
Dude, they all are. There's like 4.
Get out of here. Get out of here. No one likes you. Dude, this seagull, hey. Get out of here. Get out of here. Hey. Get out of here. Nope. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Oh, oh.
Dude, dude, you should let. Dude, what are these dudes doing? Leave us alone!
Holy hell! What in the fuck What just happened over there?
I don't know, but these seagulls are ready to pounce, man.
Shit, man.
They think that they're about to get a meal.
Dude, what in the hell is going on?
Hey, hey, get out of here.
Dude, there's like 50 of them.
Debatable.
That's a
Yeah. Smallie? It's a rock bass, dude.
No, it's not.
Dude, that's a rock
no,
bass.
it's not.
It's a bluegill.
The smallie.
Little dink smallmouth on the popper.
Oh, I wasn't filming either. I don't even
You
have
weren't
my
even
chesty
filming?
on.
This one's going.
No, it's not. It's
Oh, it's just charging. Dude, why do you do this to yourself? You're taking like a 50-minute vape break and then he just takes like 2 casts and catches a smallmouth. I'm out here catching nothing.
No, but Kobe is like one of the
Better one. Slightly better one on that spook. I don't know, my rod's going crazy now. It's a little largy. It's not a better one really either. It loaded up like it was a decent one. Okay, buddy. We don't need any hooks in the hands. Okay. Calm down.
I'd rather not today.
No emergency room visits. We only got 2 trebles in the front anyway. 2 hooks. The other one just fell off. No, like this. One of the fronts are just gone. I figured the back one was more important, so I'd be fine. And so far, I haven't like lost any big fish or anything. I was using this during a tournament. All right, guys, so those shallow fish really weren't cooperating. We moved out here to this deep kind of hump. It comes up from like 40, 50 feet into like 14. So we're gonna try to do some drop shot and do some jig and catch some of those bigger fish. Because those little 12 inchers, they just weren't cutting it. He likes them though. He's a big.
Smallies are fun.
Dude, he's a big fan of those like 5-inch bass. Like that just gets him going, you know. But I need like a 3-pounder at least. That's what we're gonna catch. No, we're gonna go catch a 3-pounder though.
Hold up.
Oh, what's a big deal?
It's staying down. I did it. Oh gosh.
Oh yeah, that's a nice fish right there, boys. That's a chunker.
Choked.
That's about the same spot I caught that last one too. We just did an entire drift around this thing and then got back to the spot.
Dude, that fish is so freaking fat.
That's a 3-pounder right there.
That fish is so fat.
Alright guys, so yeah, like I said, second keeper of the day. Nice, solid, fat fish. The fish we're catching are nice out here, so we're probably gonna stick with the deep bite. You know, we're not catching as many, but the ones that we're getting are quality fish. This one probably came out at 25, a little bit shallower than that last one, but just dead weight on my rod. She just loaded it up. Nice, solid fish. Gonna get her back in the lake here. Super clear water too. There we go. Finally. Yeah, that's a nice one. It's not a giant, but this would be a keeper for sure. Well, the big girls are out deep, guys. We found them. We've been picking this. Yeah, we've been picking. Yeah, it's a largie. We've been picking this deep break apart for quite a while. Oh yeah, it's a big one. She's a chunk, right? That's a good fish, right? There we go. First, not even a giant or anything. She's probably 2 pounds, but she's only like 15 inches. She put up a crazy fight. Yeah, we're sitting right there, 30 feet of water. Deep fish, deep largemouth right there. We're hoping we could get into some big smallies out here as well. That'd be nice. We're gonna get her back in the water really quick, but absolute chunk. First good one of the day. Sweet. Brute. Yes. That was a weed. That was a feisty weed. I think. Unless I got my. No, never mind. I lied. Oh, yeah, no.
You're missing a weight.
I don't know what happened. I want to say pike, but at the same time, I have no idea how that's even possible. Because why would I've had this happen several times. I don't know how you lose a drop shot weight like that. Like a fish cuts it off, you get a bite, and then your weight's just gone. Makes no sense, but. Is it a big one? Have you seen him yet?
Oh, I'm filming too. Oh, Nice.
You actually had your camera on. It's a miracle. It's a dink.
No, it's not. It's a
Yeah.
14.
Oh, I don't think so. That's a 12-incher, bro.
No, it's not.
Bet me right now. Get him in. You're playing him like he's a 7-pounder. You got a dang 12-incher on, and you think you got Free Willy or something.
He keeps digging, man.
Oh my God, you fight fish like a freaking moron.
How is that a 12-incher?
That's a dink. Put him on the bump right now. He ain't a 14. No way, no how. You're acting like you got a 5er on there. You got another one? Oh boy, we gotta go weightless. They don't want this weighted wacky. That one might be a keeper. Yeah, look, you fight that one like a normal person. Hook me up with a weightless hook. He's wrecking him. He's wrecking him on the wacky. Not a keeper.
All 13 3/4.
Yeah, he's close, but not bad, dudes. Not dinks. Hook me up.
Of course.
Got one, baby.
It's not a bad one.
I'm a wacky master now, just like Zach here.
Dude, I love how you can watch him fight.
Dude, this reel is janky. Yeah, that's another, you know, probably 13 3/4. Yeah, dude, every fish we've caught has been just straight beef. Like, look at the gut on that dude. He might go 14. Where's the bumper? Let's check this dude out. This probably would have been our last keeper. Oh yeah, all day.
Is it?
Yeah,
All day.
14 1/4 right there. So that is the third keeper fish we caught. Obviously the smallest keeper fish, but she's still at least a pound and a quarter. Yeah, pound and a quarter, pound and a half. She's fat, man. Right up under these docks, skipping a little. No, 4-inch Bass Pro Senko, 4 1/4-inch Bass Pro watermelon seed.
You know why I like
Yeah, we are off the water. It got a little bit too rowdy out there for us. If you could see, there's probably like 60, 70, 100 million boats in this parking lot. I mean, it's a big lake, so it's pretty spread out, but we were taking on waves and stuff, and we weren't really catching anything anymore. I think that morning bite was really key. We should have went out deep first thing. I think we would have caught more big fish. But thanks for watching today's video. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and if you like today's video, hit this video with a like. That means a lot to me. I really appreciate all the comments too. I read through all the comments. I don't know if you guys have noticed that, but I reply to pretty much every single comment, and I read every single comment. So leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think, what you want to see, any fishing stories you want to tell me. Honestly, anything. But thanks for watching today's video, and I will catch you guys next time. Yeah, there is literally a line.
Dude almost took my corner out.
There is a line going down the street of boats. Those are all boats that are waiting to get into the launch. There's actually no parking spots left, and I think that launch accommodates like 100 boats or something insane.
It's about 80
boats or so, right? Yeah, so because the guy asked us, he said, are you guys leaving soon? Because we pulled the boat up in one of the spots and we were getting all our stuff ready. We're like 10, 15 minutes, and he seemed really concerned and we didn't know why. We didn't realize there are literally like 10, 15, 20 boats just waiting to get inside of the lake right now. That's insane. That lake is just got too many people on it. I mean, there's some big fish in there. It fished off today, if you guys didn't notice. We didn't do that good, but that lake has got some big old fish, and it's worth dealing with the commotion sometimes. Today, not so much, so that's why we're getting out of here a little early. It's only like 1 o'clock, but dude, what's going on here? What are you doing?
Give me a second. Let's see if I can not get killed.
Yeah, try not to die real quick.
Wallet.
He forgot his wallet.
Probably should have.